Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. We are looking at बैंक निफ्टी ऑगस्ट फ्यूचर्स. कल काफ़ी इंटरेस्टिंग दिन रहा, which is on Thursday. I mean the Wednesday expiry day, which was shifted because Thursday was a holiday. So now, how do we go about बैंक निफ्टी in the coming days? Because there was a lot of anticipation कि बॉस इस बार तो breakout दे ही देगा, right? So we were looking for a breakout in the coming days, but eventually that did not happen. Yeah, because we will just go into the straight away into the charts and understanding what has happened and what should be our plan of action from henceforward. All right, so stay tuned. Please do support and like this video and share amongst your friends and family. I'll try bringing more and more videos from henceforward on different stocks and bank nifty and nifty as well. I will also keep putting the new things about learning in terms of strategies हो गया या फिर कोई patterns हो गए या फिर understanding the Dow concepts in the coming about stock market in the coming days, right? So stay tuned and we will get away straight into the chart. Now we are looking at Bank Nifty August futures chart. Now if you see here, I have just marked three important levels. All right, one is a level which is here around 36,340 level, which should act as a major resistance. Now why it should act as a major resistance is, if you see previously also around the same level, around 36,200 300k levels के पास ही price ने rejection लिया है, right? So if I had to just mark around this level, you saw there was a kind of bearish engulfing, similarly kind of a dark cloud cover around this with shaven top. So there's no wick on the top side. That means there is naturally sellers more interested. We saw the same thing kind of happening yesterday also here without any wicks. So open being the highest there and then it starts falling, right? Having said that, so this level for me becomes a very important level to keep an eye. Now the stock or the index was kind of a moving in a range which is between these two levels, right, which is 36,300 and 35,700. So yesterday a lot of people's stop loss got triggered off, with mine as well. I also had a stop loss just below this 700, which I didn't think will break. Eventually it just broke down. Right now, if you see here, if I had to just give you a small understanding, okay, let me see if I can do that. Price range, okay, this was the kind of level, right, where the price was always closing, even though the prices were moving up and down, but the prices closed eventually in this particular region itself, right? See here, the closing was here, the closing was here, so it was in this particular region itself, between 400 points के range में ही close हो रहा था. But yesterday, for the first time amongst a few days, if you consider this all this range, there was the first time which closed below this. So this naturally shows that there is a weakness in the market. Okay, how long can the weakness continue? We will see through a smaller time frame. All right, so let's go get into say 4 hours chart and try and understand certain important levels. Now if you see here, this level should act as, which we have marked, which is around 35,400, should act as a major support level for me in the coming days. Now why? Because one is that this particular region, because of there is a huge buying opportunity that came in on 4th of August from here. You saw that massive rally had created. So I feel there will be a number of people who would be still interested to hold this fort. They would not want this fort to be taken out or this levels to be taken out. One. The second reason also will be because of this particular kind of a W shape which formed here, kind of, and then the prices just rallied over there, right? So that also could act as a major support for us, right? So this resistance now eventually has turned into a support level is what I would look for. So if the prices say tomorrow Friday के पास अगर वो नीचे गिरता है या continuously नीचे जाता है below 35,400 levels, we will look forward to shorting this market. If suppose it does not happen and if it stays within this range, we will not take any decision. So I'm talking about this particular area. If the prices open somewhere between this level, between 35,700 to 35,400 के levels के अंदर open होता है, and if it starts sustaining it, I will not take an immediate any action. Only if it starts falling, it opens in this region and starts falling below this particular level, I would look into shorting this opportunity or looking to buy certain puts in the market. Say my exit levels will be around this level, 35,000 level should see as a major major support for me in the coming days. Right now, we'll also have a small understanding if what happens if the prices opens here and starts moving up. Will I buy it? No, I will still not buy it, because this is the range that was created. Right, if you see here, more or less the prices have been hovering around this region. Now if the prices also opens below this and then comes into this action or this particular range, it is something similar that is happening what happened here, right? So we will not be interested in taking a decision. We will be only interested from here onwards to take a decision if the markets open in this particular region. All right, so just let me 1 sec. Let me open. If the prices open around this level, which is about 36,300 to 35,700 के levels में open होता है, sustains and then starts moving up, that is when we will look forward to entering into Bank Nifty, or else we will avoid this opportunity. Yes, so we have spoken two things. One, if it opens here, what we do? One, if it opens here, how do we take a decision? Now, if the markets are really negative and if it opens below this, right, so this will act as a resistance for me and I will again look forward to selling the markets, right? If the prices opens below this level of 35,400 levels, I will always be in the shorting opportunity unless something really changes, right? Again, where will I look forward to exiting? Probably this region, right? So somewhere around this region is what I would look forward to as a shorting opportunity. I'll just mark it in the thing. So this is the kind of 1 minute. Yeah, this level between the level of 35,400 to 34,976 levels के बीच में जो है, ये मेरा shorting opportunity है if the prices straight away opens below and starts moving in, right? So I will not do anything when the prices are around this particular region. I will just mark it, right? I won't do anything if the prices are in this particular region, right? So we'll also go into a shorter time frame and understand more about this Bank Nifty. Right, please try and understand that whatever I'm trying to do is more of of you trying to think how to take decisions in the market, right? We are not trying to do something like इधर double tops बन रहा है या फिर पैटर्न्स देख के हम एंट्री नहीं कर रहे हैं. हम लोग ये देखने के लिए सोच रहे या फिर ये ट्राई कर रहे हैं कि मार्केट को कैसे समझे, right? How do we interpret? A lot of people just go blindly and take a decision. We are trying to understand where the markets have closed, where the markets have opened, where is the number of people, where are the people sitting, buyers kahan baithe hai, all that we are trying to understand. So this is a video from here onwards. All my videos which I will be putting here will be trying to understand and interpret a particular chart or take a decision, and not to just tell you कि ये double top बनाया, ये triple top बनाया, यहाँ से buy करो, sell करो. No, I won't be doing that. I will be more of trying to educate everyone who will look into this particular video, right? So please do me a favor and support me by liking and sharing this amongst your friends. All right. So now we are gone into a smaller time frame. Right, so if you understand what is happening in some smaller time frame, we'll just remove all this things from the 1 second. Just hold on, I'll remove everything. How do I remove this? Yeah, all right, just give me a sec. Yeah, so if you see here, we have a massive rally, matlab fall down from yesterday, right? I just want to put it in the smaller time frame to understand it much better now. Right, so if you see here, yesterday not a single green candle we have found, right? That means through the day we have seen sellers in active mode, right? So the bearish guys are very active here, right? So this could also be because of here. If you see this particular region yesterday or on Tuesday, we saw a massive volume coming in buying at the last minute, right? So those are the people who could have exited. First of all, number of people would have exited here because of the resistance, and then there would have been a panic again because this gap which was there also closed down, right? So the second panic came into existence. Third is that these people who had bought yesterday or on Tuesday would want to cover their losses and would want to exit it as soon as possible, right? And then again, the fourth one, why it further fell down is because this was acting as a support level, right? So this support was also taken out. So all your stop losses, people who have put your stop losses would be in a panic mode to sell it, and more importantly, or cover their losses, and more importantly, it was an expiry, so there was no chance for them to hold it any more further, right? So that could have been a reason why we saw a massive fall down. Now, how do we consider this? Now please see that this is a massive fall down. We might see a kind of a consolidation before it either pushes up or down, right? So that's why I clearly said in a few minutes back that if the prices opens here and starts falling down, we look forward to shorting it. If the prices sustains here and starts moving in this region, we will not take any decision. If the prices open in this particular region where a lot of consolidation has been already happening, we will wait for the prices to move upside. And if the prices starts open below this region and starts falling down, that's a shorting opportunity for us. We will look forward to these levels here, right? Why? Because the first time it made your higher top, higher bottoms here after this fall, right? If I had to draw this, look at this, higher top, higher bottom, right? So this could be a region where you should again see a comeback from the buyers. So this is how we will trade in the coming days, right? You can keep following me. I'm not a very big trader like most of the people doing 50 lakhs, 1 lakh, 10 lakhs, 20 lakhs in a trade. I'm a small trader and wish to become a big trader in the coming days. So you can keep learning with me. As I learn in the market, I'll keep posting things, and so we can grow together. So all right, so please do share this amongst your friends, and hope to see you again very soon with new ideas and new thought processes in the market. And if anybody wants any particular stocks to be you want me to do a technical analysis of those things, please let me know in the comment sections, and I will be more than glad to do it and try and help you to figure out how do you look at a particular stock, or how do you enter and how do you exit a particular stock based on positional and swing trades. All right, so that's it from my side. So all the best for the coming sessions. Thank you. Take care.